Do you want to see the bacteria? If yes, please watch it. Do you know what is bacteria? Bacteria is a microorganism. You all know organism means living things. Micro, it is 10 to the power minus 6 meter size. So bacteria is in the range of 10 to the power minus 6 size range. So we can see only up to 0.1 millimeter size through our naked eye. So we want to see the bacteria, we have to use the microscope. Microscope is an instrument which has the combination of lens. It maximizes the size of the image. Okay, to see bacteria we need microscope. In microscope we cannot see the bacteria directly. We have to go for coloring, that is staining. Particularly for bacteria we have to go for gram staining. In 1884, Hans Christian Gram identified this staining method, so the name came. For this method, we need 4 materials. First one is crystal violet. It is a primary stain. Second one is Gram's iodine. It is a moderant. Third one is decolorizing agent, that is 95% ethyl alcohol. The final counter stain is saffron. So, by using these stains we can see the bacteria. There are 2 types of bacteria. One is gram positive bacteria, another one is gram negative bacteria. Gram positive bacteria will have thick layer of peptidoglycan. Gram negative bacteria will have thin layer of peptidoglycan. Along with it has phospholipid bilayer. Based on this structure difference, we can able to differentiate these 2 type of bacteria by using these stains. First, we have to add the primary stain crystal violet into the microorganism which is kept in the slide. After this staining, all the bacteria, both gram positive and gram negative bacteria will be in blue color. Then we have to add Gram's iodine. It is acting as a moderant which supports the primary stain to bind very deeply, which forms the CVI complex. After this color also, both the cells will be in blue color. Then we have to add 95% ethyl alcohol which acts as a decolorizing agent. After adding this, we already know alcohol removes the lipid layer. So the stain in gram negative cells only removed. The gram positive cells will be in primary stain color, that is crystal violet color, blue color only. After this decolorization step, the gram negative bacteria loses its color, will become colorless. So after this third step, gram positive bacteria will be in blue color, gram negative bacteria will be in colorless under microscope. So to make the color, we are adding the counter stain, that is saffronin. After the addition of this stain, we can differentiate these 2 bacteria. Gram positive will remain in the blue color itself. The gram negative bacteria will get the color of the counter stain, that is pink color. So if you keep the microorganism under microscope, the gram positive bacteria will be in blue color. Gram negative bacteria will be in pink color. Example for gram positive bacteria is lactobacillus. In curd, lactobacillus is present. Example for gram-negative bacteria E. coli. In sewage water, Escherichia coli bacteria is present. Thank you.